screen splitting, keyboard and mouse crossing, keyboard and mouse synchronization. Seamless switching. USB 3.0 speed. It is 41HK 3.0. Single screen seamless switching.
Mac OS, Linux, Harmony OS, and other systems. Plug and play.
Dual screen seamless switching.
上面的4个按钮功能是一样的。1至4表示电脑1、电脑2、电脑3、电脑4。按下对应数字的按钮，就能够将我们
Computer power switch cable, reset button cable. Receiver interface description, power indicator, power input port, work indicator, signal indicator.
卡功能、灯灭关闭声卡功能。
3 screen seamless switching.
灯亮开启声卡功能。旁边标记了 USB 1至4的接口，我们可以根据我们的实际需要进行接驳我们的 USB 设备。后面这里也有4个标记了 PC 1至4的 USB 3.0 接口，用来连接我们的电脑主机。
For screen seamless switching.
USB 3.0
Audio swap demo.
Connect the power switch button and reset button jumper cables to the motherboard.
设备供电使用的。假如我们的机械键盘和移动硬盘。USB 接口。接下来是我们的实测环节。主机使用一台 Windows 11系统电脑。
Seamless picture in picture switching. Position adjustment.
也测试一下。插入 USB 耳机。
Proportional adjustment.
这里多出了一个含有 USB PNP Audio Device 标识的设备，自动设置好了。播放音乐，耳机有声音了。
Mute switch.
告诉我，欢迎点赞、收藏、加关注。
Keyboard and mouse crossover function. Keyboard and mouse synchronization control function. Switching mode supports button switching.
Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the power supply.
打开 U 盘，从桌面拷贝数据到 U 盘。
Remote control switching.
SD04。
Hotkey switching. Mouse switching. RS-232 switching. USB flash drive test. Interface description. PC 1.4 single screen mode, seamless switching buttons. Multi-screen mode button. Reset button. Infrared receiver. PC 1.4 HDMI and USB 3.0 input ports. HDMI audio split output port. HDMI output port. Keyboard and mouse input ports. USB 3.0 hub ports. Resolution adjustment toggle switch. RS-232 serial port. Power input port. Grounding port. Infrared remote control button description. PC 1.4 single screen mode, seamless switch button. PC 1.4 audio switch button. Dual screen cycle switch button. 3 screen cycle switch button. For screen cycle switch button. Picture in picture cycle switch button. Picture in picture small screen position switch button. Picture in picture small screen ratio adjustment button. Turn off/on sound button. Reset button. Connection steps. Connect computer 1. Connect computer 2. Connect computer 3. Connect computer 4. Connect keyboard. Connect mouse. Connect speakers. Connect monitor. Connect power. Switch the resolution adjustment dial to C. Connect USB flash drive. This is it. When using for the first time, you need to set the audio output. Resolution supports individual settings like this.